how to bend round U-bolts, the square U-bolts.
Finishing the custom lift kit.
With a torch on the side of the road.
When they don't have the part you need in stock, make it.
They don't have the part you need in stock, you gotta make it.
Not trying, you gotta do it. Don't worry, this only connects the axle to the frame. Not an important piece at all. Unless you care about staying on the road. So, on our Silverado day, we've added an additional 4 inches in the front. No, 3 inches in the front and 3 inches in the back. With counting the stock lift. I guess about 4 inches overall. All done. Now we're just going to tighten them.